Hello everyone, this is Swati and I will be your IBPS Guide English faculty for this course. In this course, we will be covering everything that you need to know in order to perform really well on the English section. We will learn grammar rules that are crucial to solving various question types, and we will learn important strategies to solve each question type. Now, the biggest challenge posed by the English section is that the question types cannot be entirely predicted. With every examination, we encounter new question patterns which often cause panic. There are two main reasons why this happens. One, we do not know how to tackle the question type and we have not learnt a strategy for it. Two, we do not know which grammar rule should be applied to find the correct answer. The only way to tackle a new question type is to first understand the directions. No matter what question type it is, the same set of rules apply to everything. The first thing we need to identify is whether it is vocabulary-based, grammar-based, or comprehension-based. If it is vocabulary-based, you will have no trouble answering it as long as you have been studying the daily editorials. It is very important to keep learning new words that are repeatedly used in newspaper articles. Now, if the question is comprehension-based, you just need to know the strategies to infer implied meaning by reading between lines and how to guess word meanings based on context. Both of these strategies will be discussed in detail in this module. If the question is grammar-based, you either have to find the error, fix the error, fill a blank, or join sentences. These are all the types of grammar-related questions you can expect. Once you have completed this course, you will have learnt all the rules regarding the correct position of words, and you will be able to recognize a word that is placed incorrectly in the sentence. On completion of the tenses section, you will know the strategy that will tell you whether the sentence is correct or not. And you will be able to correct it since we will provide you with shortcuts to learn the tense structures, which will also enable you to answer as quickly as possible. You will also be able to use the correct conjunction to join sentences since you will know the exact usage of these conjunctions. When it comes to fill in the blanks, knowing the placement of words is what matters most. For example, articles and prepositions are always followed by nouns, and they can only be separated by an adjective. Similarly, modal verbs are always followed by the base verb. Rules like this will help you eliminate options just by looking at what comes before and after the blank. So you see, this is why grammar is so important, because if you are strong in grammar, you will be able to tackle any and all question types, and it will not matter if there is a small change in the pattern. Grammar is your weapon, and if you sharpen it, you can definitely succeed with confidence. This is the reason why we will be studying all the important parts of grammar in this module. And although working hard is important, working smart is even more important. That is the reason why we have only included grammar topics that are necessary for your exam preparations. We will not be wasting time trying to learn things that will not help you during your exams. Every section in this module will have practice questions and mock tests to help you understand the rules thoroughly and also apply them correctly. Once we have covered the grammar topics, we will learn the most effective strategies to help you solve the different question types accurately and quickly. We will discuss all the question patterns, especially the new question patterns, which will give you enough practice to attend your exams with confidence. Here is a list of all the topics that we will be covering in this module: verbs, adverbs, tenses, present, past, future, and conditional. Then we have nouns, pronouns, adjectives, articles, prepositions, and conjunctions. This will be your grammar topics. Next, you have fill in the blanks and double fillers, cloze test, error spotting, error correction and sentence improvement, reading comprehension, parajumble, parafillers, select the correct adjective, which is a new pattern question, select the correct usage, which is also new pattern, change the meaning of the sentence, that is also a new pattern, sentence connectors and combined sentences in the new pattern. So these are the topics that will be covered in this module, and as mentioned before, each topic will have practice questions and mock tests. So along with that, you will be able to get a lot of practice and attend your exams confidently. This is IBPS Guide, your complete guide to bank and SSC exams.